In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Greenlight Kids app. This will walk you through getting the app on both iPhone and Android so you can get your child ready to use their Greenlight account once a parent has created it. To start, download the app. On an iPhone, find and open the App Store icon on your home screen. The icon has a blue background with a simple white symbol in the center, so make sure you are in the App Store, not in Settings or another app. When it opens, you should see a search tab at the bottom of the screen. On Android, open the Google Play Store. Look for the multicolor triangle icon, usually labeled Play Store under it. When you are inside Google Play, you will see a search bar at the top and different suggested apps below. That confirms you are in the right place to install the Greenlight app on Android. From there, search for Greenlight for Families. Use the search bar at the top of the App Store or the Play Store and carefully type Greenlight for Families as one phrase. On both devices, you will see a list of results appear. The correct app is called Greenlight with a focus on families and kids, and its icon usually has a simple design with the Greenlight branding, so pause a moment to confirm the name matches Greenlight for Families before you go any further. Many beginners accidentally tap a sponsored result higher in the list, so always double-check the title before installing. Now, tap Get on iPhone or Install on Android. On iPhone, the Get button sits to the right of the app name. After you tap Get, it may turn into a spinning circle, and you might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once confirmed, you will see a progress indicator fill in as the app downloads. On Android, the Install button appears under the app title. After you tap Install, it switches to a progress bar that slowly fills from left to right. You do not need to tap anything else while it installs. When the installation finishes, the button changes to Open, and the app icon also appears in your app drawer and often on your home screen. Once the app is installed, open the Greenlight app. You can tap Open directly in the App Store or Play Store, or tap the new Greenlight icon on your home screen. When the app launches for the first time, you will land on the welcome screen where parents can sign up or sign in, and kids will later sign in after a parent has created a Greenlight family account. That first screen confirms the app is ready to use. You just learned how to get the Greenlight Kids app onto your iPhone or Android so your family can start using Greenlight together. If this helped you get the app set up, a quick thumbs up really helps other families find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Greenlight tips.